How to change your virtual environment on your Meta Quest. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to change your virtual environment in your Meta Quest. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. With Meta Quest, you can change the default home environment that you see in VR when using the universal menu and browsing apps. To change your virtual environment, press the Oculus button on your right touch controller to pull up your universal menu. Hover over the clock on the left hand side of the universal menu. When quick settings appear, select it to open the quick settings panel. Select settings in the top right hand corner, then select personalization in the top right hand corner. Select the home environment that you want to use. You may need to download the environment before you can apply it. Once it's downloaded, click on apply, and that's all it takes to change your virtual environment on Meta Quest. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.